Hello, brother and sister. Today I will give a review for my experience of using this Knipex alligator plier. It's been bought 2 years ago, and I'm using this several times, especially in washroom or toilet or bathroom. It is very useful. In my opinion, this kind of plier we must have in our household. Because like in the screen, the pointing tip, it is give us more easily reaching, and it can grip very potent. Okay, I'm happy for buying this. This is not a regrettable situation. And in my opinion, the standard rubber is more easily grip on my hand comparing with the handle like this. Okay, now $328, easily grip, very thin, but very effective on the work. I think that's all my review for this simple video. Thank you for watching.